Hey everyone, on today's segment I'm going to make a saffron chicken stew. Horizontally cut one medium-sized onion. I have a tendency to forget an item or two on my shopping list. In this instance, I forgot to get my diced tomatoes. So if you're interested in making your own, you just blanch them, peel them, and then chop them up. Add a few strands of saffron to a mortar, pour some hot water, and allow that to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Thoroughly wash and remove the fat from 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. Add salt, pepper, and the saffron water, and combine. Allow this to marinate for at least half an hour and up to 24 hours. Add safflower or canola oil to a pan on medium heat. Sauté the onions for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the onions and add the chicken pieces in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Once you've seared both sides of the chicken, remove and add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Add the onions back into the pan and deglaze with the saffron water. Add the diced tomato and combine. Add the chicken pieces back to the pan and pour the juices, cover, and allow it to cook on low heat for 25 minutes on each side for a total of 50 minutes cooking time. And there you have it, a tomato-based saffron chicken stew. If you like what you just saw, smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!